Okay, golly gosh darn it, here we are folks. I have done it again and made a huge batch of ham and bean soup. And record. Well, golly gosh darn it folks, don't you know, I have done it again and made a humongous batch of ham and bean soup. One with a thickening agent, a slurry, and one without. And this is the final stage where I pull out the ham hocks and add the potatoes for about 30 to 40 minutes. And here is the challenging act of getting the ham hocks out without creating a huge mess. There's one. And of course I got a little bit of this soup too on the spoon, but that's quite alright. And here's the one without the thickening agent. It's more of a clear broth. As you can see, lots of beans. See, per my housemate's request, I doubled the amount of beans from last time, and so it required that I make a huge batch of soup with 2 pots. So, there we go. And I made a mess of that pan too. Oh well. See, here's the clearer one. Lots of yummy stuff. Oh, there's another ham hock. I'm glad I stirred this again. Aha. Let's pull that big bad thing out of there. And there it is. And there it is. Slowly stirring and get the bay leaves out and after I do the potatoes. And here's the one with the slurry. Both sure to be absolutely delicious. And awesome. So I'm going to let these cool, the ham hocks cool for about 20 minutes. And now we're going to venture to the refrigerator to get out our potatoes, which have been chilling. Oh, up here. That wasn't there a minute ago. Someone's food put up there, and it goes right there. And I'm pulling out the potatoes, which have been in a water bath for a couple of hours. Put those on the counter. Yay! Final stages. It's awesome. And I'm going to drain the potatoes like so. Well, let's put away some of these dishes to make room. Okay. Sorry about this mess. And we will dump the water off of the potatoes. Dump out all that water. All of it. Yep. There we go. Okay. Yukon Gold are the potatoes of choice for me. And now I will just wash my hands. So, I'm going to be a good boy and spoon these in. Some of the potatoes I made a little bit big, but it'll be alright. So this is it'll take forever. I just washed my hands, so this is fine. I'm going to put about half in each. That looks like half, and then continue with the hand method. And I don't want that water, so we'll drain the water again from the potatoes, like so, and just dump those bad boys in there. And give a stir. Work those all the way in there. There's a bay leaf on top. That's quite alright. I'll pull those out in about 40 minutes or 30 minutes. And give this one a quick stir. And I want to turn the heat from low to 2 for about 20 minutes, I think. And cover that again. Where's the cover for the other? Here it is. And there you have it. I'm going to let these cool, and then I will pluck the meat from these ham hocks, chop it up, and then divide it among the 2 pans. Good stuff. Easy peasy. Nah, not really, but it's a passion, and it's well worth it in the end. Many hours worth of work. But it's fun, chopping vegetables and all that stuff. So, alright, until next time. Ciao.